New Nigeria is possible. Obi Dati. Obi Dati. New Nigeria is possible. Obi Dati. Team has actually today introduced me. I'm coming from Manchester and my name is Osim Enya. I want to welcome everyone, and if you are from Manchester, can you just shout Obi Dati? It's not easy. Some of us woke up this morning 4 a.m. to get to this place. So we need to appreciate ourselves. And I want to say thank you for that love that you are sharing today. Today is actually not a speeching day. A day we make speeches. It's a day for us to celebrate the victory that is coming up in 2022. 2023 is the year of victory. If you believe that, shout Obi Dati. When we were coming, some people were thinking that Obi operates regional government. And we said no. We are here represented all states in Nigeria. I am pleased to say that I'm from Cross River State, the good people of Cross River. I am here to say that in Cross River, that is where Obi finds a loved one. And we are happy to give him all that the wife has been giving him all these days. So Cross River is for Obi Dati. Obi Dati! New Nigeria is possible.
Thank you.
Gold Gillies. So we're here to hear from Gold Gillies. She's from River State. Just to know that we have every representation. Obi Dati. Obi Dati. Nigerians. Obi Dati. Thank you, everyone. Who is the next person? Okay, so we have Mary Kudi. Mary Kudi is from Gombe State, all the way from.
Salaam alaikum. Da ya kama wannan lokaci mutanen north east, mutanen north west, mutanen north central muna tare da Obi Dati. Mun ba Obi Dati vote namu come 2023. Obi Dati, Obi Dati. Ina son gaida mu, ina son gaishe mu kuma a Hausa dukan mu. Obi da Dati na Najeriya ne gaba daya, ba na kudu ba na arewa ba ne, amma duka mu tare muke. So muna cewa come 2023 ku fita ku vote ma Obi Dati don mu kawo sabon gwamnati cikin Najeriya. Obi Dati! Obi Dati! Obi Dati!
Okay, Plateau is no. We have someone from Plateau already. Where is Cass? Where is Cass, please? Cass. Okay. No. We've made a list. Oh, see Cass here. Cass from Kaduna.
Obi Dati. I warn you, when you go back home, go and get ready for government, for a new sheriff is coming to town in 2023. I am from Kaduna State. The same Nagaiswa. But I want to say something. Believe me, there are people who don't believe in what we're doing. And they are legitimately correct. So we need to make sure that we preach to them that what we're doing is the best way forward. Believe you me, they have their own belief. We have our own belief. And believe you me, they are right. Just that we are right too.
Yes.
But we have to make sure that we send everybody, make sure everybody get up on board. Together we will make a difference. For we believe that PeterObi and Daddy are the best that can ever happen to Nigeria. As Dr. Okupe Radi said that, in this campaign, he's